The insecurity in Edo State, we must solve it. We must make this state a safe haven for all of us to live. Yes, so initial land and tested. When there was kidnapping in Esama, I stopped it. I wasn't a senator then, never. When we talk to infrastructural development, that is my number 2-point agenda. I wasn't a senator that I started tying road to communities. We believe you. Development is in the blood. What you can do for your people is in the blood. We are going to show them how to develop Edo State. But I got 96% of the total vote cast in Edo because of the Benin Waterstone Master Plan in 2012. Obaseki and Guber will rebuild it. He will deceive Benin City and restore the glory of this great kingdom. Let the wickedness of the wicked come to an end. Let the wickedness of the wicked come to an end. By the grace of God, the wickedness we have seen in the past 8 years is about to come to an end. Any other governorship candidate, any other deputy governorship candidate in the state today, they have track record. They are not, their own is not as we do. Their own is what I have done. So I tell people you don't need to look too far. These are people that will take our state from this present position of darkness to the position of light. And I want to assure you people, all those things they do, one I don't mind them. They do it because they have been defeated. They've been what? Defeated. On election day, one come out. Election day, one come out. If they get 2 heads, may they come. One I no fear. We are happy because the entire structure of PDP, Ovia Northeast and Ovia South, is collapsed today. Omosede Igbinedion into our fold with the glory of God. Yes.
And when I see the turnout, as I've seen today, all of you, I can see clearly that APC is already above.
We hear they are boasting. They are arming their dogs. They are arming their vigilante. Tell them, those who live by the sword will die by the sword. Tell them, anybody that kicks the pantry knows what will happen to them. Let me tell you, the good people of Edo South, I want to beg, and I want to tell you that this election is about our future. My boss, distinguished Senator Monday Okpewolu, is 53 years old, and I am 44 years old. A young guy, you to clock. So our people, will you leave a young man like you to go and vote 60-something years old man? Wow. Let me see you sound up. Sister, Lord, make it thank you. Are you ready? APC.